A is for apple, so juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces down the street. C is for cat with its whiskers so long. D is for drum, let's play a happy song. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, wear it to the moon. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jump, up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the zoo. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where the birds like to be. O is for octopus, in the ocean deep. P is for puppy, with a bark and a lead. Q is for queen, with a crown so grand. R is for rainbow colors, all in a band. S is for sun, shining bright and warm. T is for train, blowing its horn. U is for umbrella, on a rainy day. V is for violin, hear it play. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for Zion, making music too. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zebra, with stripes so full. Now we've learned our letters from A to Z. Come back and sing again with you and me.
A, B, C, let's start the fun. D, E, F, we're on the run. G, H, I, jump up so high. J, K, L, now touch the sky. M, N, O, let's twirl around. P, Q, R, stomp on the ground. S, T, U, let's clap our hands. V, W, X, let's make a band. Y, and Z, hooray, we're done. But let's sing again, it's so much fun. Sing it loud, sing it clear. A, B, C's are fun all year. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, come along with me, singing and dancing so full of glee. Toddlers and friends will sing all day, learning our letters, hip, hip, hooray! A is for airplane flying so high. E is for boat sailing by. C is for car zooming fast. D is for dinosaur from the past. E is for elephant stomping loud. F is for fire truck red and proud. G is for guitar strumming a tune. H is for helicopter under the moon. I is for insect crawling around. J is for jump up off the ground. K is for kite flying so free. L is for leaf on a big tall tree. N is for moon shining bright. N is for nest cozy at night. O is for owl hooting woo. P is for penguin in the snow. Q is for queen ruling with care. R is for robot everywhere. S is for sun warm and bright. T is for train, what a sight. U is for unicorn magical and neat. V is for volcano with the lava and heat. W is for water sloshing around. X is for xylophone making a sound. Y is for yo-yo up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Hey, we did it today. Learning letters, hooray, hooray. Apples red and shiny, tasty and so sweet. Bananas yellow, soft and a yummy treat. Oranges are juicy, round and full of zest. Strawberries with seeds, they really are the best. Fruits, fruits, oh so yummy. Fruits, fruits, fill my tummy. Fruits, fruits, fun to eat. Fruits, fruits, what a treat. Grapes in a bunch, purple, green or red. Blueberries so small, pop them in your head. Watermelon juicy, perfect for a snack. Peaches soft and fuzzy, give a gentle smack. Fruits, fruits, oh so yummy. Fruits, fruits, fill my tummy. Fruits, fruits, fun to eat. Fruits, fruits, what a treat. Pineapples are spiky, sweet and tangy too. Cherries bright and red, great for me and you. Mangoes golden yellow, tropical delight. Kiwis green inside, fuzzy brown and bright. Fruits, light, flavor sweet. Fruits are such a tasty treat. Fruits, fruits, oh so yummy. Fruits, fruits, fill my tummy. Fruits, fruits, fun to eat. Fruits, fruits, what a treat. So let's all enjoy fruits of every kind. Healthy, tasty, fun, the best you'll find. From apples to kiwis, each one's a delight. Eating fruits is awesome, day and night. Sweets, I'll enjoy fruits of every kind. Healthy, tasty, fun, the best you'll find. From apples to kiwis, each one's a delight. Eating fruits is awesome, day and night. Apples red and shiny, tasty and so sweet. Bananas yellow, soft and a yummy treat. Oranges are juicy, round and full of zest. Strawberries with seeds, they really are the best. Fruits, fruits, oh so yummy. Fruitsy and so sweet. Bananas yellow, soft and a yummy treat. Oranges are juicy, round and full of zest. Strawberries with seeds, they really are the best. So let's all enjoy fruits of every kind. Healthy, tasty, fun, the best you'll find. From apples to kiwis, each one's a delight. Eating fruits is awesome, day and night.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that we kick with our feet. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog who goes grr grr grr. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish who swims along. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for horse in the stall. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for juice, a fruity slice. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for nest, for birds to be. O is for octopus in the sea so deep. P is for puppy who loves to leap. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rabbit hopping all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow in its flight. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for a whale in the ocean blue. X is for xylophone with a colorful view. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea. Z is for zebra, as striped as can be.